Okay, this is by far the largest part that's completely flat like this that I've printed out of ABS plastic, and so far my COMGROW enclosure here has been keeping it from warping. We'll see how this works out once it starts getting a little thicker. Alright, this guy's finishing up the last little bit of the top layer, and if you look down here, there's just a little bit of separation on these puzzle piece bits. And then this corner over here has just a little tiny gap in there. Okay, you can see that that big part there mostly stayed flat on my build plate. There's a couple of corners, like right here, where you can kind of see a little crack under there, but you know, this thing's pretty flat.